Alright guys, we've got the FNS 9mm today. We're going to break this down. Nothing in the magazine, nothing in the chamber. Alright, it is already locked back. We're going to leave it locked back, and then what we're going to do is we're going to push the barrel lock or the slide lock, whichever one you want to call it, and we're going to push this down just like this. And then we're going to release the slide forward. Now some of them are finicky. So we're going to release it forward. A lot of yours, you're just going to be able to pull the slide forward and then pull the trigger. This one, I actually have to push it back to where it's seated, where it's not, if you can see this right here, where it's not forward like that. I have to push it even, then I can pull it forward. So some of yours might be finicky. Some of yours, what'll happen is if you push it forward, and it's not going to release like this, so you're going to have to push it back to where it meets with your frame right there, then it will come off. But until that point, some of them are finicky. It will not come off, or this one will not come off right here, so you're going to have to push it back, pull your trigger, and then it will slide off. So if you're having trouble just pulling it all the way forward and not coming off, make sure you push the slide to match the frame, pull the trigger, and then it will slide off. The frame, we're ready for cleaning. We're going to take the spring, we're going to push it forward, slide it out just like that. Now with the spring, we're going to put, this is the forward end, and this flatter end right here is the rear. The barrel, push it forward, take it out, take it apart. Now this gun is totally disassembled for cleaning, and then you can go clean it now, and then we're going to put it back together. Alright, we're going to put it back together, so we're going to start in the exact opposite of the way we took it apart. We're going to take the barrel and put it into the slide, just like that. It is seat. Remember, this end is forward, this end is rear. We're going to put it in our little hole there. And then right here, you can see that bevel right there. We're just going to seat this down in that bevel. Just push it forward just enough for it to seat down in the bevel. Alright, so this is totally reassembled. Now we're going to take our little notches back here, here, and here, and we're going to line them up with your little wings right here as part of the frame right here. And we're just going to line them up just like that. Pull it all the way back, lock it back. Now if you saw that, I put the slide lock up. Let's see if I can get my hand out of the way. Slide lock up and back. And then we're going to take the lock there and just flip it up. This is reassembled from cleaning, and we're ready to go do some shooting. Please like, subscribe, and comment on this video below. Thanks.